Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mahnoor. I have purchased this phone holder from daraz in rupees 520. I have also purchased this kitchen duster from daraz, 8 pieces. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then give a huge thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Let's see the kitchen duster from daraz. I have purchased from daraz. You can also see the packaging of this duster. How cute. You can also see the quality of this dusters as much soft. If you like my video, then give a huge thumbs up. Subscribe my channel.